Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day today.
It really is, Paul. The sun is shining, and I am feeling very happy. How are you today?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my tea, I have my microphone, and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. I have my coffee, of course.
You always have your coffee, Emily.
Yes, it is my favorite thing. So, Paul, we have a very interesting topic for today.
Yes, we do. It is a topic that everyone knows. We are going to talk about our homes.
Exactly. We will talk about where we live. We'll describe our homes, our rooms, and our furniture.
This is very useful vocabulary. Everyone needs to talk about their house or apartment.
Yes, but before we open the door to our homes, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our podcast, please click the like button right now.
And make sure you are subscribed to Everyday English Talk channel. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this with your friends who are learning English. Maybe they want to learn about homes too.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Paul, are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go home.
Okay, so the first question is very simple. Paul, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
An apartment, is it big or small?
It is not big, but it is not very small. It is medium.
Medium size. Is it in the city?
Yes, it is in the center of the city. It is on the 4th floor.
The 4th floor? Do you use stairs or an elevator?
We have an elevator, thank goodness. I do not like climbing stairs every day.
I understand. Stairs can be tiring.
What about you, Emily? Do you live in an apartment?
No, I live in a house. It is a small house, but it has a garden.
A garden? Oh, that is wonderful. I do not have a garden.
I love my garden. It has flowers and a small tree. It is very quiet.
That sounds lovely. My apartment is a little noisy.
Noisy? Why?
Because I live near a busy street. There are many cars and buses.
Ah, yes. Traffic is noisy. My street is very quiet. But cleaning a house is hard work.
Yes, a house is bigger than an apartment. More rooms to clean.
Exactly. Let's talk about the rooms. What is the first room you see when you enter your apartment?
When I open the door, I am in the living room.
The living room. That is an important room.
Yes, it is where I relax.
Describe your living room for us, Paul. What is inside?
Well, I have a big sofa.
A big sofa. Is it comfortable?
Oh, yes, it is very comfortable. It is gray. I sit there and watch TV.
That sounds nice. Do you have a television?
Yes, I have a TV on the wall, and I have a small table in front of the sofa.
A coffee table.
Yes, a coffee table. I put my tea there.
Yes, of course. I have a sofa too. My sofa is blue, and I have a big armchair.
An armchair. Is that a chair for one person?
Yes, it is big and soft. It is next to the window.
I like that. Next to the window. It is good for reading?
It is perfect for reading. The sun comes in the window, and I read my books.
That sounds very cozy. Cozy is a good word. It means warm and comfortable.
Yes, my living room is very cozy. Do you have plants in your living room?
I have 2 small plants. They are green. I try to give them water, but sometimes I forget.
Oh no, Paul. Poor plants.
I know. I need to be better. Do you have plants?
Yes, I have many plants. I love nature. I have a big plant in the corner of the room.
A plant in the corner. That is nice decoration.
Yes. Now let's go to the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen. My favorite room, because the food is there.
Me too. Is your kitchen big?
No, my kitchen is small, but it is modern.
Modern. That is good. What do you have in your kitchen?
I have a fridge, of course, for my milk and cheese,
A fridge is very important.
and I have a stove for cooking and an oven.
Do you like to cook, Paul?
I do. I make pasta, I make pizza. Well, I try to make pizza.
That is great. Do you have a table in the kitchen?
No, my kitchen is too small for a table. I eat in the living room.
Ah, I see. In my house, the kitchen is big. There is a round table in the middle.
A round table. That is nice for family dinner.
Yes, we sit on chairs around the table and we eat breakfast and dinner there.
Is your kitchen messy or tidy?
Good question. Messy means not organized. Tidy means clean and organized.
Exactly.
Usually it is tidy, but after I cook a big dinner, it is very messy. There are plates everywhere.
I understand. Washing the dishes is boring.
It is very boring. Do you have a dishwasher?
No, I do not. I wash the dishes with my hands.
Oh, Paul, that takes a long time.
It does. I listen to podcasts when I wash dishes.
That is a great idea. Listen to everyday English talk while you clean.
Yes. So we have the living room and the kitchen. What about the bathroom?
The bathroom. Well, every house has a bathroom.
Yes. In my bathroom, there is a shower. I do not have a bathtub.
A shower is quick and easy.
Yes. And a mirror. I look in the mirror to brush my teeth.
And a sink?
Yes, a sink for washing my hands. It is a small room. It has white tiles. It is very clean.
That is good. A clean bathroom is important. I have a bathtub in my house.
Ooh, a bathtub. That is luxury.
Sometimes. I like to relax in hot water after a long week.
That sounds amazing. Now, the most important room for sleeping, the bedroom.
Yes, the bedroom. Describe your bedroom, Paul.
My bedroom is quiet. The walls are blue.
Blue is a relaxing color.
Yes, I have a bed, a double bed.
Is it soft?
It is very soft. I have 2 big pillows.
Pillows are important for a good sleep.
Yes, and I have a wardrobe.
A wardrobe. That is a closet for your clothes, right?
Yes, where I hang my shirts and my jackets.
Is your wardrobe full?
Yes, it is very full. I have too many clothes.
Me too. I need a bigger wardrobe.
Do you have a lamp in your bedroom?
Yes, I have a small lamp on the bedside table.
A bedside table, the small table next to the bed.
Yes, I put my phone and my book there.
I have a lamp too. I do not like bright light in the bedroom. I like soft light.
Me too. It helps me sleep.
What about the floor, Emily? Do you have carpet or wood?
In the living room and bedroom, I have wood floors, but I have a rug.
A rug. That is like a small carpet?
Yes, it is on the floor. It is soft for my feet.
I have carpet in my bedroom. It is warm in the winter.
That is nice. Wood floors can be cold in the morning.
Yes, very cold.
So, Paul, you have a balcony, right?
Yes, a small balcony.
What do you do there?
I stand there in the morning, I drink my coffee, and I look at the city.
That sounds lovely. A view of the city.
Yes, I can see the street, the people, and the other buildings. It is nice.
And I have my garden. I sit in a chair on the grass.
That is the difference between a house and an apartment. Grass versus a balcony.
Yes, but both are good.
Yes, home is a special place. It doesn't matter if it is big or small.
That is true. It is where you feel safe and happy.
Exactly. And where you keep your coffee.
Yes, the most important thing.
We used a lot of good words today, Emily.
We did. It is good to practice describing what we see every day.
Yes, it helps you think in English at home.
Paul, look at the time.
Oh my goodness, we talked a lot about our houses.
We did. It was fun.
It was very fun. I want to go home and sit on my sofa now.
Me too. But first, let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Good idea. A little memory refresh.
So, we talked about two types of homes, a house and an apartment.
Yes, a house usually has a garden. An apartment often has a balcony.
We talked about rooms. The living room is for relaxing. It has a sofa and a TV.
And the kitchen is for cooking. It has a fridge and a stove, sometimes a table.
The bathroom has a shower or a bathtub and a sink.
And the bedroom has a bed, pillows, and a wardrobe for clothes.
We also used some great adjectives.
Yes, we said cozy for comfortable, noisy for loud sounds, and quiet for no sounds.
And messy if it is dirty, or tidy if it is clean.
And don't forget modern and bright.
Yes, perfect. See? Talking about your home is easy.
It is easy when you know the words.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know about your home.
In the comments, please tell us, do you live in a house or an apartment?
And what is your favorite room?
Is it your kitchen, your bedroom, or your living room?
Tell us why. Maybe you have a very comfortable sofa.
We love reading your comments. It is great practice for you.
Yes, please write to us.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Everyday English Talk channel and like this video.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you have a wonderful day in your home.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.